as summer rolls around. It's the perfect time to enjoy the great outdoors with a delightful picnic. Whether you're heading to the beach, a local park, or even your backyard, a picnic is an excellent opportunity to savor delicious food while basking in the warm sun. To help you make the most of your picnic experience, we've compiled a list of 5 healthy and easy-to-make picnic recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and keep you energized for all your summer adventures. 1. Quinoa salad with fresh veggies. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 diced cucumber, 1 diced bell pepper, 1 cup halved cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh herbs such as parsley or basil for garnish. Let's now start making quinoa salad with fresh veggies. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, cucumber, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the quinoa mixture and toss until well coated. Garnish with fresh herbs. Serve chilled or at room temperature. 2. Chicken and vegetable skewers. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 sliced zucchini, 1 yellow bell pepper cut into chunks, 1 red onion cut into wedges, 8 cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Here are the steps in chicken vegetable skewers. Preheat the grill or oven to medium-high heat. Thread the chicken, zucchini, bell pepper, onion, and cherry tomatoes onto skewers. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Brush the marinade over the skewers, coating them evenly. Grill or bake the skewers for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Serve hot or at room temperature. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with friends. It really helps the channel out. 3. Watermelon and feta salad. Ingredients: 4 cups cubed watermelon, 1 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves, 1/4 cup sliced red onion, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the watermelon, feta cheese, mint leaves, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the watermelon mixture and toss gently to combine. Refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the flavors to melt. Serve chilled. 4. Hummus wraps. Ingredients: 4 whole wheat tortillas, 1 cup homemade or store-bought hummus, 1 sliced cucumber, 1 julienned carrot, 1 red bell pepper, handful of baby spinach leaves. Instructions: lay the tortillas flat on a clean surface. Spread a generous amount of hummus evenly over each tortilla. Layer the cucumber, carrot, bell pepper, and spinach leaves over the hummus. Roll up the tortillas tightly and slice them into halves or quarters. Wrap each piece individually in parchment paper or aluminum foil for easy transport. Serve as a handheld option for your picnic. 5. Berry yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 2 cups Greek yogurt, 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1/4 cup granola, 1 tablespoon honey optional. Instructions: in individual serving glasses or containers, layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and granola. Drizzle honey on top, if desired, for added sweetness. Repeat the layers until the glasses or containers are filled. Refrigerate until ready to serve. Enjoy a refreshing and healthy dessert during your picnic. With these 5 healthy and easy-to-make picnic recipes, you'll be well prepared to enjoy a delightful outdoor meal during the summer months. From a refreshing quinoa salad to flavorful chicken skewers and a delectable watermelon and feta salad, these recipes are sure to please your taste buds while providing the necessary nutrients to keep you energized. So pack your picnic basket, grab a blanket, and head out to create lasting memories while savoring these delicious dishes under the warm sun.